Next dish is very simple: Sponged-Gourd stir-fry eggs. This is a very easy dish. Even you don't need some condiment. The only material you need is Sponged-Gourd and 3 eggs. Then, if necessary, it's not dispensable. But if you want to use, you can add a little light soy sauce. If this dish, after watching my video, you can still not cook this dish, one advice: purchase a tofu, knock your head on the tofu to commit suicide. Or if you cannot find tofu, you can use the cheese of mozzarella to commit suicide, to knock your head on the cheese to commit suicide. Okay, kidding. Okay, let's start. This dish is quite simple. You need a Sponged-Gourd and 3 eggs. First, we deal with Sponged-Gourd. Take away skin. You cut a Sponged-Gourd into small, big pieces. In fact, you can cut any form you want, because I think the form or shape of a piece of a Sponged-Gourd has no influence on the taste. The most common form of cutting is this. Then, disturbed egg. We can add a little light soy sauce, not dark soy sauce. A little. Okay. Okay, this is ready for cooking. Okay, when vegetable oil becomes very hot, we pour in the egg. We will stir-fry the egg until the egg becomes solid, but it's still a little juicy, because too solid will affect the taste of the cuisine. Unfortunately, this time I made it too dry. Then I will prepare the vegetable. We use boiling water to soak the Sponged-Gourd for 1 or 2 minutes. The purpose of this process to make the Sponged-Gourd still maintain a green color after cooking. Many vegetables can be treated in this way. Okay, more or less 1 minute, we take out the Sponged-Gourd. Then we start to stir-fry the Sponged-Gourd. More or less 3 minutes later, we add some salt to the Sponged-Gourd. You must remember, don't add too much salt, because the salt will harm your health, will cause high blood pressure and some cardiac disease. So we must lead a life very few salt. Finally, we put the egg into Sponged-Gourd, then stir-fry them together for 1 or 2 minutes. Then take them out. An easy, nutritious Chinese dish is ready. Coming up next, let me try it. Finally, I finished my cooking and I can enjoy my food now. Before eating, I will introduce you a little bit about this Sponged-Gourd. Sponged-Gourd is a very good vegetable because this vegetable is rich in vitamin C, can prevent effectively a kind of a disease that molested seamen from 14th century to 18th century.
This disease we call scurvy. I think if Christopher Colomb he discovered this vegetable earlier, his seamen wouldn't have been molested by scurvy. So this vegetable is quite a good vegetable, quite good for the health. Besides, this vegetable has another very good advantage. If you eat it frequently, especially lady, if you eat it frequently, your skin will become tender and delicate. Okay, even some people say if a pregnant woman eat it frequently, she can produce more milk after birth than the woman she never eats the Sponged-Gourd during the pregnant area. Okay, that's all knowledge about the Sponged-Gourd. Of course, egg, I don't need to introduce you more. The most valuable animal nutrition, animal protein. This is quite a good combination. I will enjoy it. What kind of tool I can use? You can use both. Okay, for example, the fork. A little Sponged-Gourd and a little egg. Okay. Good taste. I want more. This is not enough.